that it is this program is really catching the imagination wherever we are talking. Now, this is the background. Why I am communicating to you? Because most of you are the stakeholder of this company, either as a participant, either as an employee, or as a well-wisher, or as faculty, or as your purpose. So you are the people who are going to take this work out. Okay. So this is the background, and if there is anything hanging, any question which is there unanswered, please ask. Okay. All right. Any question? Okay. Also to share with you that Professor Ramji has said that if first semester CD can be shared with him. I said okay, we will ask Shahdev to get it prepared. But it can be with a timeline. That for 7 days it can be with him, so that he can go through in 7 days. Otherwise, it will always remain in cupboard. In leisure time, you can't go through it. So he was saying, I will go through leisure time. So I didn't respond, but I was thinking now. Okay, we can give it, but with a time limit. Complete it. Otherwise, it will not be used. Okay. What else? Any question you have? Any queries you have? I have asked you to complete your pending things, list of pending things. Could you do that? Something on that part?
You have missed.
You would like to share?
Once I will complete my afternoon hours.
No samosa. Please read it if it is written. Samosa is still there.
Very good.
Because he didn't come to office yesterday. Day before yesterday because of some muscle, something, or joint pain or something.
So last 3 days I was continuously eating all the curds and everything, sour thing. So doctor has strictly instructed me to don't eat all this. But now continuously I have coffee that I gave all the books.
Most of the diseases
D13 because of deficiency of D13.
That's all right. But if you go still at the root of it, it is the conversation that is happening inside. That if suppose there is some deficiency, those conversations are stopping those things to come in. So you can correlate it. In fact, there is a very famous author and doctor. I think some Hay, Dr. Hay, Louis Hay. Louis Hay.
No doctor.
PhD doctor? Not MD. I think she is MD. Dr. Louis Hay.
No, she has been given a doctor.
No, she is MBBS doctor. That's what I was thinking,
So
because she talked about actual medicinal part. And she has said that how conversation can heal. So her book is there. You can heal yourself. तो आप conversation से अपने आप को heal कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि वो जो गांठ पड़ी हुई है, वो उससे खुल जाए. So that's why I told you. So write down. Please read it aloud. You are too important a stakeholder, too important a member of the institute that we can't allow you to just slip by. You can contribute hugely to the humanity. So therefore, I insist.
Pending work is first very important. Still, I feel like I have not contributed so much to the company as per my expectations. Even we have second thing, we have enrolled so many people. We have described, we have shared myself. I have described so many things. I have shared my experience after this program. But I could not anyhow convert them.
I did not.
That in the
Enrollment into registration.
So these are two my major goals.
major worries. That I have not contributed enough to the company, and
In spite of enrolling and saving, I have saved my experience after this course.
see, always remember why I am saying that this essence of living. Consider this as a Gita or Bible or God or whatever you want to consider it. Because without this, nothing works. And especially for India, for our country, where we are so much in morality and so less in integrity. So much in morality. In fact, we confuse so much. In fact, it may be the conspiracy of the people who didn't want we should grow. That they have allowed us to remain in morality. तुम्हें right wrong में और रहो बहुत बढ़िया, so that they can rule. Maybe I remember God, my college this thing. I don't know. I'm not authority on that. But what I'm saying is, please get it straight. Never compromise on this principle. There is nothing right, wrong, good, bad. The moment you will go into guilt, you can't do anything about it. Nobody can save you. It's life and death matter. Never get into guilt. And it is very much going to happen the moment you violate this rule. For God's sake, if you want to be in integrity, never compromise with this. The moment you have gone into guilt, you have created disempowering context, you are out of integrity. Your life will stop working. People said, why I shouted on first semester for this topic. That is precisely why I shouted. This conversation, good, bad, right, wrong, is so much deep into me and in us. It's really difficult to take it. It's a challenge. Not difficult as it's a challenge. It's real breakthrough. If I can take it out. And it's so easy being in integrity. Just out of this, it's so simple to. In fact, we were always in integrity. जो बच्चा पैदा होता है, जो शुरू में 6 महीना साल में जब तक बोलते हैं भगवान इसमें है, he is so much in integrity, or she is so much in integrity.
100%.
And then you have the experience. How old is your kid?
8 months.
8 months. He is in integrity. Simple. Ayans, what is the name?
Ayan.
Ayan. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan का मतलब क्या?
Revolving of Earth around the sun.
अच्छा.
Ayan.
Okay. Good. So, like, so much. All of us were there. Because at that time, this right, wrong, good, bad were not there. And then we went to school. And then everything started happening to us. All right thing, or wrong thing, or good thing, or bad thing. Can you just give it up, please? क्या आप लोग जोड़ सकते हैं धनेंद्र? सर इसमें कैच क्या है सर? धनेंद्र फ्रॉम टाटा नगर, you know, he said, सर आपका प्रपोजल इतना अच्छा है, केवल 1.2 लाख में MBA भी हो जाएगा गवर्नमेंट वाला, TMBA भी हो जाएगा, 25,000 का सैलरी भी मिल जाएगा, तो कैच क्या है सर?
Yesterday I talked with my brother. दोनों की conversation में catch क्या है?
वो भी बोला ना? Catch क्या है? Okay, now I got what is the catch? Catch is that there are only limited people that we allow. That is after selection. That is the catch. I think that is the point. Catch is not everybody. We take interview. Initially, maybe we may allow little bit of that flow, but later on it is certainly good. And we are already restricted, where the population is more than planet is. Yeah, let us talk about planet. 700 crore. where the intake here is hardly 90 currently, 30, 30, 33 batch. So intake is already very, very limited. That is the catch. Another boy from Jamshedpur, when I met him, what do you do? Sir, we supply students. Supply students means where? To the institute, to the school. Why supplying? The students are not to be supplied, they are not raw material to be supplied. See, actually, this is Jamshedpur language, sir. We can supply students to you also. Hey, for God's sake, don't do that. Right? So just again, I will keep on coming back because this is the part of our program. That by the end of the 3 days, what we are going to accomplish is that each and every one is inventing the new possible in the area of project management, strategy management, marketing management, stress management, I think Dr. Kiran might be thinking, stress management का lecture मैं क्यों ले रही हूँ? Because yesterday when I talked to her, she was under so much stress, and I was so relaxed. तुम क्यों नहीं लेता है? मेरे को क्यों बोलता है session लेने के लिए? The point is, why we are saying is because we want more and more faculty to be the part of this program, because that is the major breakthrough we need. Hundreds of faculties we need when the inflow of students takes place. Plus, she being the psychiatrist and she deals with it. See, if somebody is technically qualified, she is that. So, project management, strategy management, marketing management, stress management, corporate finance, team building, email etiquette, anything else? Entrepreneurship, metaphysics. Metaphysics is enveloping in almost whenever we are delivering. Metaphysics is like what we are looking at, that in all the concepts. Like for example, I was having brief with Professor Ramji. In the corporate finance, I requested him that when you are delivering to the people, metaphysically consider that even those people who are not sitting in the room, wherever they are, the CFO of a company, corporate finance, being managed by CFOs. Each and every CFO of the corporate can apply those some of the very fundamental rules of corporate finance, which gives growth to that company. So physically, you are just delivering to 5, 7, 8 people. Metaphysically, deliver it to everyone. Then he has taken up. Okay. Okay. So whatever is physically happening here, how to have it metaphysically on the planet. When I am saying there is nothing right, wrong, good, bad, it looks like I am talking about me and these 7, 8 people. What about it? This is metaphysically for everyone. We are the medium, physical medium, for those metaphysical things to happen. So this is what is we are intending in the area of metaphysics, being applied in almost all areas. So Ranga Sahab can intervene anywhere. You can intervene anywhere when the topic is happening inside of your own learning, because one of your contexts is to learn also. So when you are learning technically project management or strategy management or marketing management, if something comes up metaphysically, you can intervene anytime, anywhere.
See, right now I'm just quoting that you're talking about metaphysical conversation which you are telling Ramji to address. A simple example is Bhagavad Gita is written and it is spread all over only by two people's conversation. The only two people who are conversing, Krishna and Arjuna. Arjuna speaks for one chapter or two chapters up to chapter 10. I mean, chapter 2, version 10. Only Arjuna speaks. After that, Krishna speaks. Now, two people are talking. That has become such impactful for more than 7,000 years. We are also talking about Bhagavad Gita. Now, what that conversation is called metaphysics. It is not for one person. It is become for the entire planet or universe, and it has come as a universal truth. You getting it? So whatever you communicate, if you Krishna never saw Arjuna. He's saying, Hey Bharata. Actually he's saying, Hey Bharata.
Everyone.
Bharata is like you are blessed to be born on this planet, I mean this country called Bharata, and you are nobody else but Bharat yourself. Not I separate than my country. So he is including two versions. He has two names. A Kaunteya, a Bharata. Both he has mentioned. Kaunteya is the passion or the relation that you and me share as a friend, and you are a child to a mother. But a Bharata is another version. He says you are not ordinary. So if we start from that metaphysics, everything else is going everywhere. Every energy is spreading everywhere. So it's a great conversation going anywhere and everywhere.
Like one conversation comes is why people, any part of the world, if you ask them about India or Bharat, they have a huge respect for this land. They may not be having respect for politicians, government, or anything such like, but for this land, they have the respect. They always want to come back to this place. It is always in their menu list, India. There is something to do with what Sara said about Bharata, addressing humanity with reference to Bharat. Like if I am addressing Bharat, I am addressing humanity. Addressing all the people. I am addressing planet.
There was no territory called Pakistan, Afghanistan. It was a Bharata. It was like, even if you put it instead of Bharata, a planet Earth. Take the word Bharat and put it as planet Earth. Everyone, and today every human who has taken birth in India, one birth, has taken birth somewhere else, and he is saying, I want to go back to my root. So that's how it happens.
Somebody was sharing when we went to LIC development officer, one person development officer who was from ISKCON. He was saying that how grandson of Ford, right, is a staunch devotee of ISKCON. He worked 6 months there, 6 months or something like that. He completely devoting himself for ISKCON. Now imagine what he has to do with ISKCON, with them. And ISKCON doesn't market themselves as much as, like normal shop marketing. Their volunteers are doing their job just out of their passion.
even if you take the example of ISKCON, it started by Prabhupada. Prabhupada suddenly went to the US and he started only narrating few things after reading Bhagavad Gita himself, and he started saying Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Now people started looking at something else. Before him was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now there is history everywhere, but it was all one person. Now if you go to Bengal, you will find that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years back narrated something. He was Hindu. And who is he? He is the rebirth of Krishna. Okay. So Prabhupada started this. He started a small movement, Hare Krishna. And it has become a huge organization called ISKCON. Take Rajneesh. He was alone. He was a professor. He was a lecturer in Ahmedabad. And what he became was something else.
Bhagwan reduced. People start saying Bhagwan reduced. So the light can come to you any time. Like I was very happy to know the meaning of Gayatri Mantra. I didn't know. Om Bhurvashva Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimani Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. हे भगवान, हे प्राणधारक, आप हमारे यहाँ हमारी आत्मा में आके अवस्थित हो गए. अरे, you are talking, saying God to come in your being. I didn't know. I was just chanting it for years, but I didn't know the meaning is to come to and stay here in my soul. परमात्मा को आप आत्मा में धारण करते हैं. So powerful message.
And there is not a single soul untouched in Gayatri. They take everything, whether it is plants, whether it is birds, animals, women, any, everyone is a soul. So they include everyone. It is for everyone. You know, if I have to just